Welcome to the tutorial on the blind organization trick. In this trick, you're going to take a seemingly random set of one suit and put it back into sequential order. Now, this trick does require a bit of pre-setup in order to stack the deck. And what that will entail is taking all of one suit out of a deck. In this case, I have taken the diamonds and putting them in this specific order: 8, 7, 3, 4, 9, 10, king, 5, ace, 6, 2, jack, and then the queen. Once you have the cards placed in this order, you are going to bring them together such that the queen is going to be on the bottom and the 8 is going to be on the top when the cards are turned over. You're then going to take and put the suit that you just put in order on the bottom of your deck. So this is the point where your audience is going to come into the trick. They're going to see, you have a new deck that they don't know is stacked on the bottom. And in order to actually try and prove to them that you haven't done any pre-setup for this trick, you are going to shuffle the deck by taking the top half and inserting it with the bottom half. Doesn't have to be precise. What's important here is that in simply doing that, I have not changed the order in which those cards appear throughout the deck. So now you tell them you're going to go ahead and take out a suit, let's say diamonds. So you're going to look through the deck, and whenever a diamond appears, you're going to set it down. It's important that in the event that something comes up where there are two diamonds in a row, you set the first appearance down first and not the two of them together at the same time. Alright, once you've found all of the diamonds in the deck, you are going to set these cards aside. The important part of setting them down in this order is that it reverses the cards. So now the queen is at the bottom of this stack and the 8 is at the top. The exact opposite of how it was when we first set up the deck. From here, you're going to show the audience that you have these cards in a completely random order, or at least seemingly so. And you are going to go ahead and put them back into sequential order without changing, or without even looking at the face of the cards. In order to do this, it is just the sequence of a memorized way of shuffling the cards. So, in order to do that, to begin, you are simply going to peel off the top card of the deck and take it into your left hand. You are then going to repeat this once more. So now you have two cards, and you're going to set the rest of the deck on top. And now, using that same motion, you are going to peel off 3 cards and place the remainder of the deck on top, and then do that one more time with 4 cards. And set the rest of the deck on top. Alright. Now you are going to deal the cards. You're going to pull off the top 3 cards and set them down, and then the top 2, and repeat in this manner until all the cards have been placed in the pile. So the top 3, the top 2, and the last 3. From here, pick up the cards, and you're going to deal from the bottom of the deck now, placing the cards into 2 different piles. Now, whichever pile you deal in first here is going to have more cards. If you need another way to check on which pile should go on top of which here, the pile that you dealt second and the pile with only 6 instead of 7 cards is going to be taken and placed on top of the other deck. And now from here is the last step in dealing the cards and placing them in order. You're going to, for the entirety of this pile, deal the first card on top and then place the next one on the bottom. Put top card on the pile and place the second card on the bottom. And continue with this until the entirety of the pile has been dealt. Alright, at this point the deck is now placed in order. So you can pick up the cards and slowly reveal to your audience as the cards appear, one after another, to be placed in sequential order. And that is the blind organization trick.